Alright, so let me log in into this application known as ChipperCash. So I click on it and it's going to just permit me to put in my PIN. So I put in my PIN and okay, that's the wrong PIN. Let me put it again. So I just put in my PIN and it's trying to authentify if I'm the one. And low. So when you look at my wallet now, you can see that currently I have this amount in my wallet, 6,210 naira. Now, this money is money that is left after I've done some withdrawal, some other things using this application. Now, this application, you can do so many things on this application. Application. Now, you can buy airtime. For example, if you click on buy airtime, you get discounted prices. So, for example, if you buy 100 naira airtime, they will discount, to give some discount. You can pay for data, you can pay for bills, and you can do every other thing. In fact, you can even get stuck with this application. Now, we are going to use this application to be able to make money. To be able to earn money with this application, all you have to do is to invite persons to the application. So you click on this N, so you can see this N on there. When I click on this N here, you can see now invite your friend and we'll send both of you 600 naira. This is amazing. This means that if you can invite like 10 friends, you are going to earn 6,000 naira. It is very simple. So I'm going to tell you how things can be done easily. I've been using it and I can say that it's just an extra money that you can do online. This is not going to make you to be super rich, but when you have people all around you, you can just share with your friends and family. All they have to do is just to register. They will get 600 naira. If you get 600 naira, that's 600 naira. You can use to do anything. You can even withdraw into your bank account, or you can use to buy anything on the application. This application is very wonderful. You can even use to send. You can use the application to send money to any person in the world, in Africa, anywhere in the world, and they'll get the money. So let me log in back. Now, then we're talking about the referral. So all you have to do is just refer somebody, a friend, and you earn 600 now. You can see refer friend and earn. So when you invite a friend, they'll get 600 now, you get 600 now. But if your friend is in UK, for example, you are going to earn 5,700 naira when they spend at least 20 euro to their country. That's 20 pounds to an African country. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to click on, let me just click on the view terms and condition. Now, I've already created a video where I explain everything in full detail. So I don't want this video to be a repetition of those previous videos. So I'm going to link the video below. Just go to that video and watch it and see how things is being done. Then when you finish creating your account and have verified your account, just send me your tag. So this is what I'm talking about, the tag. So for example, if I come to my home here and I click on my profile here, you can see the tag. So this is the tag I said you should send to me. You just send to me this tag, but I have to be sure that you are verified. So when you send the tag to me, I'm going to know if you have actually registered under me. How am I going to know? So when I click on this end down here, I'm going to click on okay, let me see, view referral history. You can see these are people that actually get that have been referred under me. So if you are among these type of people, as you can see on my screen here, just send me your tag so that you can get your free 600 naira. So you get, send me your tag. I'm going to send 600 naira to you. Send that 600 naira back to me, and you get 600 naira within 24 hours. Well, I'm also going to get my own 600 naira within 24 hours. So this is a very easy way to make money online. So if you are among this set of people, kindly message me. Click on the link to my WhatsApp and message me. So I'm going to put the link to the previous video where I explain how you can get verified to you. Watch that video, and on that video, all you have to do is just to click on the link to where you can chat me up on WhatsApp, and you send me your tag, and you get your money within 24 hours. This is very easy and straightforward. So ladies and gentlemen, do not just watch this video and forget about it. You can make extra money online by just doing simple things. And this application is one of the best way you can make money online at this time, at this season. Don't forget that this application is not necessarily a money-making application. It is an application that can use to send money, but it's centered on money. But they have a referral program where you can use to earn extra money. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, if you are ready to make money online, click on the red button to subscribe and like this video. Share with your friends and family, because opportunity shared, you are actually helping people outside there. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to seeing the next video. Do not forget to watch the previous video where I explain how you can get verified. Then you send me your tag, then I'm going to give you 600 naira, whereby within 24 hours you now get extra 600 naira. Why me myself, I'll get 600 naira. So this is how it works. I will send this 600 naira, you send 600 naira back to me, because if you don't send it back to me, you won't get your own money. So when you send it back to me, then within 24 hours, within 12 to 24 hours, you get your money back into your Keeper app, where you can transfer. For example, if you want to transfer it to your bank account, all you have to do is very simple. Okay, when I click on wallet, you can see everything here. Then all you have to do is just to click on cash out. So when you click on cash out, you can put in your bank and you cash out, and it is easy and simple to go. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to seeing the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below and watch where I explain how you can get verified. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you.